because what we found was that they just, as they ran these 6 intervals, the rate at which they were burning fat just rose higher and higher and higher and higher. And it turns out they were exercising at 86% of their maximum. The textbook says at 86% of the maximum, you cannot burn any fat. That's what the textbook says, based on 100 years of knowledge. And we showed that at 86% VO2 max, they burned more fat than anyone has ever measured in any human on the planet. So we completely destroyed that theory. So what that means is that the muscle can burn whatever it likes if it's properly adapted. It can burn fat at low intensity exercise, it can burn fat at high intensity exercise. So there's no special role for muscle glycogen. Why is that important? Because nutrition scientists, and I was one of the leading people who said this, you've got to eat your carbs before exercise to get your muscle glycogen high so that you can last longer and do more intense exercise. That, unfortunately, is now passé. It's out the window. It's disproven. So the high carbohydrate diet for athletes is a myth. It's not necessary on the basis of this research. Of course, we need other people to come along and test it and try to disprove it. But the evidence is so clear that it'll be difficult for them to disprove it. That's the one point about the study. In brief, there's another part of the study. We found that when these people were on the high carbohydrate diet, 3 of 10 people, that's 30%, became pre-diabetic. Now, this is the diet that we give to healthy athletes. And on this healthy athlete diet, 3 of them, 30%, became pre-diabetic. When they switched back to the high-fat diet, they had absolutely normal blood glucose control, absolutely perfect, no suggestion of diabetes. And what we've been telling athletes for the last 40 years is what's making them diabetic. and the study proves it. So we killed 2 birds with 1 stone, and hopefully the people will realize what an important paper it is.